hope you all are doing great and super excited for Eid. Eid is all about happiness, celebrations, new dresses, and of course, beautiful mehndi. So today I'm sharing with you simple and elegant mehndi designs that are perfect for beginners and super easy to try at home. If you love simple, neat, and classy designs, then this video is just for you. So make sure you stay till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe, and support my channel. Let's start with our first design. This one is a very simple floral pattern. Just start with a small flower in the center of your hand. Then add petals around it, keep the lines clean and light, and extend it with small leaves. This design looks super cute and doesn't take much time. Now moving to the second design. This is a finger-focused mehndi design. You don't need to fill your whole hand. Just decorate your fingers with lines, dots, and tiny flowers, and leave the rest of the hand clean. This gives a very modern and minimal look, perfect for girls who love simplicity. Next, we have a backhand trail design. Start from one side of your wrist, make a diagonal trail going towards your finger, add small flowers, leaves, and curves, and connect everything with thin lines. This design looks very elegant and stylish, especially with Eid outfits. Now let's try a bracelet-style mehndi design. Create a band around your wrist like a bracelet, add small patterns like dots, lines, and mini flowers, then extend a chain-like design towards one finger. This looks like jewelry and gives a very unique Eid look. For those who love quick designs, here's an easy one. Just make a big flower on the palm, add a few leaves, and fill the center with shading or dots. That's it. Simple, quick, and beautiful. Girls, remember, mehndi doesn't have to be complicated to look pretty. Sometimes simple designs look more classy and elegant. Practice slowly, don't rush, and always keep your cone pressure light for neat lines. You can also mix different styles, like floral with geometric, or minimal with bold patterns. Create your own unique design this Eid. Eid is a special day, so take time for yourself. Apply mehndi, dress up, and feel confident and beautiful. If you enjoyed these designs, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Trendy Girl Kiji channel, and share it with your friends and sisters. Also tell me in the comments which mehndi design you like the most, and what you want to see in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay stylish, and have a very beautiful Eid Allah Hafiz.